Hello children, today we are going to learn letter writing. So first let's understand the learning objectives of letter writing. Learning objectives to develop skills for writing letter pertaining to informal and formal situations in life, to express your emotions and to become a conscious citizen by bringing awareness in thoughts and express it through letters. Now, what do you mean by a letter? A letter is a written means of communication. It is used to inform, inquire, or exchange ideas and opinions. There are two types of letters: informal letters and formal letters. What do you mean by informal letters? Letters that we write to our friends and family members are called informal letters. We use informal language and express our emotions. This is the format of informal letter. First, we need to write the sender's address, then comes the date, salutation, then comes the body of the letter, subscription, and the sender's name. Before writing an informal letter, there are some guidelines that has to be followed. Like salutation, the salutation should begin with dear or my dear followed by the first name. Then comes the body. The opening paragraph is usually an introduction. The message is written in the middle paragraph. The concluding paragraph indicates the letter is going to end. At the end, subscription, that is, we write yours lovingly, yours affectionately, your loving niece or nephew, and in the line below, write your name. This is an example of an informal letter. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday present he had sent for you. First, you'll be writing the address, then you'll be writing the date, then comes a salutation, that is, dear uncle, then comes the body of the letter, and at the end, subscription, and at the end, you'll be writing the sender's name. I hope you're very clear with informal letter. For practice, you'll be writing a letter to your friend, telling him or her about your activities during lockdown. Now we are going to understand what is formal letter. Formal letters. Letters written for official or business purposes are classed as formal letters. It is written in formal language in the stipulated format for official purpose. Formal letters usually have one of the following purposes: to make a complaint, to request for something, to make an inquiry. This is the format of formal letter writing. First, you need to write your address, then comes the date, then comes the recipient's designation, recipient's address, then comes the salutation, subject, content, and subscription, and at the end comes the signature. These are the guidelines for formal writing letter. As discussed, first we'll be writing the sender's address, then comes the date, then comes the recipient's designation and address, and salutation. We use dear, sir, ma'am if you do not know the name of the recipient. If you do know the name, use the title Mr., Mrs., Doctor followed by the surname. Then comes the subject. This is written to briefly state the purpose of your letter. Then comes the body of the letter. The first paragraph should be short, stating the purpose of the letter. The middle paragraph should contain the relevant information you wish to convey. The last paragraph should state what action you would expect the recipient to take. Then comes the subscription. If you do not know the name of the person, conclude with yours faithfully. If you know the name of the person, conclude with yours sincerely. Then comes the sender's signature with the sender's name. While writing a formal letter, there are some very important useful expressions that has to be followed. That is, I am writing in response to your article. I'm writing in order to complain about. I look forward to receiving your reply. I wish to thank you in advance for the information. There are some expressions that has to be avoided. They are Contractions like can't and didn't should be avoided. Instead, use cannot and did not. Abbreviated words like photo, comp, etc. has to be avoided. Use phrases like please consider or kindly take appropriate action has to be written. This is an example of a formal letter. Write a letter to Mr. Adam, the manager of Zendra Toys, complaining about a car you have brought. As discussed, first we'll be writing the sender's address, then comes the date, then comes the recipient's address, then comes the greeting, that is a salutation, then comes the subject, then followed by the content, then at the end, sender's signature and the name. I'm very sure you will be able to write a formal letter. So for your practice, you'll be writing, you are the librarian of your school, write a letter to Bookworms Private Limited to place an order for children's books, magazines, and newspapers for the library. I hope you're very clear with formal and informal letters. It is very important to express your emotions and become an aware citizen of a country. Thank you.